Psychology is a diverse field, enriched by various theoretical frameworks. From behaviorism to integrative trends, each offers unique insights into human thought and behavior. Frameworks in psychology are crucial as they guide our assumptions, methods, and explanations. They serve as heuristics and testable propositions, helping us map core premises and critiques. Behaviorism emphasizes observable behavior and environmental contingencies, rejecting introspection. It prioritizes experimental control and operationalization. Behaviorism employs classical and operant conditioning, using experimental paradigms like the Skinner box. Its methods yield quantitative, replicable effects across species. Behaviorism contributes rigorous methods and learning principles, with applications in behavior modification and education. However, it neglects internal cognition and complex problem-solving. Cognitivism, pioneered by Neisser, sees the mind as an information processing system. It targets internal processes like perception and memory, focusing on representations and transformations. Cognitivism explores memory models and problem-solving schemas, using methods like reaction times and computational models to understand cognitive processes. Cognitivism offers mechanistic models and interdisciplinary ties but faces critiques for over-reliance on computational metaphors. Modern extensions include embodied cognition and affective neuroscience. Psychoanalytic and psychodynamic approaches emphasize unconscious motives and intrapsychic conflicts, shaping personality through structural ideas like the id, ego, and superego. Psychodynamic practice involves defense mechanisms and transference dynamics, using therapeutic techniques like interpretation and narrative exploration to understand relational dynamics. Psychodynamic approaches offer rich accounts of meaning and therapeutic relationships but face critiques on empirical testability. Contemporary trends integrate attachment and neuroscience. Humanistic psychology, led by Rogers and Maslow, focuses on personal growth and subjective experience. It champions self-actualization and authenticity, reacting against determinism. Humanistic practice centers on person-centered therapy, fostering self-awareness and meaning-making. It emphasizes growth over symptom reduction, using empathy and positive regard. Humanistic psychology contributes to therapeutic alliances and positive psychology but faces empirical validation challenges. It responds with well-being measures and outcome studies. Biological approaches link mental states to neural and genetic processes, using tools like neuroimaging and psychopharmacology to explore brain behavior relationships. Biological psychology studies neurotransmitters and brain dynamics, applying tools like fMRI and EEG. It contributes to psychopharmacology and neural mapping of cognition and emotion. Biological psychology faces challenges like reductionism and replicability. It adopts an integrative approach, offering multi-level explanations from molecular to social contexts. Sociocultural psychology explores how cognition and behavior are shaped by social contexts and norms, situating individual processes within cultural practices. Sociocultural psychology studies social learning and identity formation, using methods like experiments and ethnography to understand group dynamics and cultural influences. Sociocultural psychology contributes to understanding cross-cultural variability but faces challenges in balancing individual differences and biology, requiring culturally sensitive constructs. Evolutionary psychology delves into the evolved psychological mechanisms that address ancestral reproductive and survival challenges. It suggests that the mind is composed of domain-specific modules shaped by selection pressures, focusing on areas like mate choice, kin altruism, and threat detection. The field hypothesizes that selection pressures result in cognitive specializations. By using comparative data, cross-cultural patterns, and evolutionary models, it predicts recurring biases such as negativity, in-group favoritism, and sex-differentiated behaviors. Evolutionary psychology faces critiques like adaptive storytelling and mismatch arguments, while emphasizing rigor through explicit hypothesis testing and cross-cultural validation. It aims to provide falsifiable predictions to strengthen its scientific foundation. Contemporary psychology embraces a pluralistic, multi-level, and integrative approach. Different frameworks illuminate complementary facets of complex phenomena, offering a richer understanding of psychological processes. Current trends in psychology include cognitive neuroscience, developmental psychopathology, and cultural neuroscience. Advances in methods such as multi-level models, SEM, and computational simulation are bridging lab and real-world systems, promoting open science and diverse sampling. In practice, choosing frameworks aligned with explanatory aims and levels of analysis is crucial. Embracing methodological pluralism and multi-method designs, while prioritizing replication and real-world relevance, enhances the robustness of psychological research. Psychology consists of multiple, partly competing but often complementary frameworks. Each offers distinctive premises, mechanisms, and methods. Integrative, multi-level research is best suited to capture the complexity of psychological phenomena. For further exploration, foundational works by Skinner, Neisser, Freud, Rogers, and Maslow are essential. Contemporary reviews in cognitive neuroscience, cultural neuroscience, and developmental psychopathology provide deeper insights. A full reference list is available in the lecture notes handout.